My journey in learning English. My journey in learning English began at a young age, when I first encountered the language in school. At first, it seemed like a daunting task, with its unfamiliar sounds and complex grammar rules. However, as I delved deeper into the language, I began to appreciate its beauty and versatility. One of the most significant challenges I faced was overcoming the language barrier. Initially, I struggled to express myself clearly and confidently in English. However, with consistent practice and exposure to the language, I gradually gained fluency. I actively sought opportunities to engage in conversations with native English speakers, which helped me improve my pronunciation and vocabulary. Another hurdle I encountered was a vast array of English dialects and accents. Different regions have their own unique way of speaking English, which can be confusing for learners. To overcome this challenge, I listened to various English accents, such as British, American, and Australian, to familiarize myself with different pronunciations and intonations. Despite these challenges, I found immense joy in learning English. It opened up a world of opportunities for me, both personally and professionally. I was able to access a wealth of information and knowledge through English language books, articles, and online resources. Additionally, my English skills enabled me to connect with people from diverse cultural backgrounds and expand my global network. As I continued my English learning journey, I discovered various effective strategies that helped me progress. One such strategy was immersing myself in the language. I watched English movies and TV shows, listened to English songs, and read English books and newspapers. This exposure to the language in different contexts helped me develop a better understanding of its nuances and subtleties. Another valuable strategy was practicing regularly. I made it a habit to speak English with friends, family, and language exchange partners. This consistent practice helped me improve my fluency and confidence in using the language. Additionally, I utilized online language learning platforms and mobile apps to reinforce my learning and track my progress. Looking back on my English learning journey, I am grateful for the challenges I faced and the lessons I learned. These experiences have shaped me into a more confident and proficient English speaker. I believe that continuous learning and practice are key to mastering any language, including English. As I continue to explore the depths of this beautiful language, I am excited to see where my journey will take me next.